Sasagutan po ngayon ang example number 3. Jane, Paul, and Peter can finish painting the bench in 2 hours. If Jane does the job alone, she can finish it in 5 hours. If Paul does the job alone, he can finish it in 6 hours. How long will it take for Peter to finish the job alone? Bali po ang kwento ng tanong na to ay tungkol sa tatlong tao. Ang pangalan ay Jane, Paul, and Peter, na silang tatlo ay magtutulong-tulong para pinturahan yung bakod. Pag si Jane po ang magpipintura sa bakod na nabanggit, aabutin po ng 5 oras. Pag si Paul naman po ang magpipintura doon sa bakod, aabutin po ng 6 na oras. Pero pag silang tatlo po ang sabay-sabay na nagpintura sa bakod, aabutin lang ito ng 2 oras. Ang tanong ko dito, gaano naman kaya matagal pag si Peter ang magpipintura sa buong bakod? Tara, sagutan po natin ang tanong na ito. Dito po ang hinahanap is yung capacity ni Peter na mapinturahan niya yung buong bakod. So, tawagin po natin X. Capacity of Peter to do the job alone. Then given 2 hours, ito po yung capacity nilang tatlo. Capacity of Jane, Paul, and Peter. Therefore, yung rate nilang tatlo is 1/2 job per hour. Rate of, lagyan na lang natin 3 person para mas madali. And then 5 hours. This is the capacity of Jane to do the job alone. Therefore, the rate of Jane is 1/5 job per hour. Rate of Jane to do the job alone. And 6 hours is the rate of capacity of Paul to do the job alone. Therefore, the rate of Paul is 1/6 job per hour. With the rate of Paul to do the job alone. So, na-set up na ho natin lahat ng mga given. Therefore, start na po tayo sa pag-solve. 1/5 plus 1/6 plus 1/x equals to 1/2. Isa-isahin po natin Ito po 1/5. Ito po yung rate ni Jane. Yung 5 sa ilalim, yan naman po yung capacity ni Jane. Yung 1/6, ito po yung rate ni Paul. Yung 6 naman sa ilalim, yun naman po yung capacity ni Paul. Yung 1/x, ito naman po yung rate ni Peter. Ito pong x, ito naman po yung required na hinahanap. Hindi natin ang question mark. Ito po yung capacity ni Peter na kailangan natin hanapin. Equals to 1/2. Ito naman po yung combined rate nilang tatlo. Yung 2 sa ilalim, yung po yung combined capacity nilang tatlo. So kung titingnan po natin, ang common multiple ng 5, 6, x, and 2 ay sulat po natin. Common multiple is equals to 30x. Para ko matuling ma-simplify, ang gawin natin, itong equation na to, multiply na lang natin ng 30x parehas. This 30x. Oops. By using a distributive property of multiplication sa dalawa, tatlo, kaya natin ito. 30x times 1 over 5. Therefore, mangyayari is 6x plus 30x times 1 over 6. Therefore, magiging 5x plus 30x times 1 over x. Therefore, makakancel yung x. Ang matitira ay 30. Is equivalent to 30x times 1 half. Therefore, magiging 15x. Therefore, 6x plus 5x equals to 11x plus 30 is equals to 15x. Therefore, 30 is equals to 15x minus, lilipat po natin from left side pupunta sa right side, minus 11x. Therefore, 30 is equals to 4x. Para ma-get po natin yung x, o ito yung capacity ni Peter to do the job alone, we will divide both sides by 4. Therefore, x is equals to, makakancel yung dalawang 4, 30 divided by 4. To simplify, divide both sides by 2. Therefore, ang lalabas is 15 divided by 2 hours. So this is, I think in this fraction, it is equivalent to 7 and 1/2 hours. So kahit saan po dito ay tama. 15 divided by 2 hours or 7 and a half hours is both correct. So this is our final answer. Halimbawa naman, hinahanap yung rate ni Peter to do the job alone. Therefore, lalagay lang natin sa ilalim yung x equals to 1 over 15 divided by 2 equals to 2 over 15 job per hour. So, nalagay lang muna tayo. Pupunta po tayo sa example number 4 next video.